So today I'll be showing you how we made our marbled lemon drizzle squares with my daughter Reena and her cousins Mofe, AB and Opsy. Enjoy watching! Okay, so at this point, just wanted to grease the pan so the batter and the cake doesn't stick to it when it comes out of the oven. And here I'm just trying to create a beautiful marble effect by adding the plain butter first and then alternately adding the red beetroot butter and then another layer of the plain butter. You know, not really perfect, but just in a very nice, creatively colorful mosaic of meandering colors. And the whole mix, isn't that gorgeous looking? You know, then you spread that out evenly and that's it. So pop in the oven at medium heat. So what I'm doing here is just poke holes into the freshly baked cake, still very steamy hot, and then squeeze some lemon juice on it. Just like that.
Made this crepe.
Well, is it going to get thick?
Yes, now it's already thickening.
Okay. Why are you not taking?
I'm taking.
Why not
Cake.
now?
Oh
Oh my goodness, this is so good.
Cake. Good. Yes, good.
Oh my goodness. That's what. Okay. Absolutely not enough. Not enough. Reena. That was skills, eating skills. Opsy, yeah now. Have some cake. You can eat the cake and have it back. This one, you can't have it back once you eat it. A moment on your lips, a lifetime on your hips.
Oh.
What do you think? Okay.
I love this.
And so try out our box mixes today. We're in all the ShopRite stores across Nigeria. Also in Prince Ebano, in Lagos, Abuja, and soon to be in Spa, Grand Square. Oh, and also Blanco Ikate and other formal retail outlets across the nation. We're looking out for more agents and distributors across the nation and even cross-border trade as well. So it's been really fun shopping in all the stores and seeing the products out there. Thank you. Try out the recipe.